given number of days.
Oh, ba't pa tayo dito magpaligoy-ligoy? Wag na tayo dito mag-sinungaling. Bakit nyo binigyan nirelisan ng 10 million?
So if someone comes to you and he was directed by the provincial governor to make a cash advance, what do you do first?
We check if there is we obligate the allotment, Your Honor.
So
and
you do
then
not check the authority of that person first to make the cash advance?
as long as they have the memorandum order from the local
The
chief
memorandum order. So it is not your duty also to check whether or not this person is bonded?
I believe that the same was already checked by the Office of the Provincial Treasurer, Your Honor.
So now you're throwing it back to the provincial treasurer.
Hindi, kasi po, these disbursing officers under the Treasury Manual are under the Office of the Provincial Treasurer.
Okay, now let me get this straight. As accountant, exactly what is your role when it comes to cash advances?
To check that the supporting documents are complete.
Okay, now isn't one of the supporting documents the bond requirement?
Yeah, it is
Okay.
one of the
Okay.
requirements, Your Honor.
Now, let me go to the specific persons, Miss Rosel Bungkat, do you know her?
Yes, I do.
Did she make a cash advance?
Yes, she did, Your Honor.
How much is her bond,
I'm not.
if you remember?
I'm sorry, Your Honor, I don't remember.
If I will remind you that her bond is only 1.5 million, would you say that would be a fair statement?
I would think so, Your Honor.
Okay. Now, if a person is only has a 1.5 million bond, how much can she make as a cash advance?
I do not know as to how much is the limit, Your Honor. But
So if you do not know the limit, then you said that you should know the requirements before a person can make the cash advance. So if any person whom you says has the authority to make a cash advance, can she make any amount of cash advances?
she can as long as she liquidates the same, Your Honor.
So it's not dependent on the bond that she is given?
There was never. I'm sorry, Your Honor, but I am. Excuse me if I say that I'm really not aware of how much would be the limit of the cash advance.
Okay. I'll get back to you. Treasurer, is it your role to check the bond of the person making a cash advance?
As far as my own people are concerned, I usually check their.
No. Is it your obligation to check the bond first before a cash advance is released?
I can also check, sir.
What do you mean? Whose office has the authority to check it?
We monitor the bonding requirements of accountable officers, considering that we have 26 department and
All right.
yeah.
Now, again, going back to Rosel Bungkad, she only has a 1.5 million bond.
that is the amount of premium, sir, but her accountability is up to 5 million maximum.
Okay, up to 5 million maximum. Yet you gave a cash advance of 10,253,000. How would you justify that?
Hindi naman po single cash advance po yun. Staggered basis.
Staggered. But
Yeah.
in totality, cash advance of 10,253,000 was given to Rosel Bungkad, correct?
Yes, sir.
In excess of the 5 million limit that she's supposed to have. Correct?
Yeah.
Correct? Or no?
Pardon, sir.
Dapat 5 million lang yung limit niya based on the 1.5 million bond, right?
Yeah,
And you said that earlier, na 5 million lang dapat.
maximum.
Maximum.
Yeah.
Now, how come she was given a total amount in cash advances amounting to 10,253,000? Yan ang tanong ko.
Your Honor, to inform the body, all of my accountable officers were already issued an OM and we already answered the same to the Commission and Audit po. So all the reasons were,
I am asking you now. Me, or the body is asking you now. How come? There's a lot of list here, Dami pa tayo. Isa pa lang to. No? Rosel Bungkad, 1.5 million lang ang bond, yet given a cash advance of 10,253,000. Now you're claiming that it's going to be the who issued this? Yung mga tao underneath mo?
no, all the regular cashiers are within my supervision.
Yes.
Oh, yes, sir.
Okay, so they technically released it on your authority, correct?
Yep.
And then going back to the question, how come Ms. Rosel Bungkad was given a cash advance of 10,250,000 when supposedly the limit was 5 million. Ms. Malyonga?
Yep.
Why?
Because there really a need for us to address the requirements of all other implementing officers, so that is why.
So are you going to go beyond the requirements of law that only 5 million ang maximum niya na cash advance just because you're willing to satisfy that requirement?
Siguro po yun na po yung nakita natin ng mga loopholes po
Are you given that leeway to do that decision? Do you have that authority to give more money than what you're allowed to give to that person?
Mr. Chair, not the per releases because she's actually saying that it's per releases, hindi naman umabot sa 10 million.
I'm sure they
We're
should have a
talking
running
about, we're
quota.
asking you the
Right,
amount. The amount is 5 million and yet you gave 10 million. Kasi sabi mo, ano yun staggered yun eh. We're not talking about the per releases na hindi umabot sa 5 million. We're talking about the accumulated amount which is go beyond what is required. Which is 5 million.
Hindi, ganito lang yan. Are you familiar with COA? Siguro si Reyes, nabasa niya na to, no? Na-review mo na. Are you familiar with... Hindi, ikaw. Ikaw, budget treasurer and budget officer and Ms. Garma, provincial accountant. Are you familiar with MC 97-002? COA Memorandum Circular with regards to authority, giving authority to accountable officers.
97,382 po.
Ano 97,382? Oh, COA. COA may 97,382 daw. Memorandum Circular 97-002. Oh, now.
Circular for regulating the cash advance.
Correct. Oh, are you familiar with that? Yes or no?
Yung mga certain alam po, familiar ako.
Ha? Circular na tinatanong ko. Are you familiar with that?
Yes, Your Honor.
Oh, you're familiar? Oh, why did a 1.5 bond for a certain Rosel Bungkad? 1.5 lang yung bond niya. Maximum niya is 5 million. Bakit nyo binigyan nirelisan ng 10 million? In which, napakalinaw ng MC. Hindi na natin pag-usapan yung SALN pa.
Your Honor, yung pong kay Ma'am Rosel, kay Rosel Bungkad po ay as if I remember it right, nung April 29 po, liquidated po lahat. Liquidated po lahat yung...
Madam, again, pag pumunta tayo dyan, isa-isahin ko yung mga problema kayo, ipaproduce ko yon. Now, the authority given. Sino yung persons in authority to appoint accountable officers?
Sa special disbursing officer po, it's the governor
Oh,
po.
governor. Oh, di ba nagbigay siya ng authority for Ms. Bungkad? Tama?
Miss Bungkad po is a regular cashier po ng Provincial Treasury Office. So,
Also,
it is inherent in our function po as a cashier po siya.
of course, but you still have to follow that 5 million max and the 1.5 bond. Pag tinanong pa kita, dineposit niyo ba yung 1.5? Andito ba si Bungkad? Saan niya kinuha yung 1.5? Bungkad. Do you have the capacity? Wag na nga tayo maglusot dito kasi yung authority coming from the chief executive, in which in that case is Mamba, Governor Mamba, once lang yan magbibigay ng authority. Kaya ang bilangan dyan, hindi yung bawat liquidation at saka bawat release. The whole program and the whole implementation. Huwag na nga tayo dito magpalusot. Ikaw, budget treasurer, don't force me to cite you in contempt. Ms. Bungkad, how did you pay? How did you deposit the bond of 1.5 million? Who gave you the...
Good afternoon po. Bali, After po siya mapirmahan, Your Honor,
Kapirmahan nino.
nung signatories po,
What signatories? I'm asking you the
Yung-
authority for you to be the disbursing officer.
as a regular disbursing officer po, pag may mga check po na nakapangalan po sa amin, for payment po, we automatically withdraw it in the bank po.
Yeah, but hindi mo nakita, 1.5 lang yung ban mo, tapos maximum of 5 million. Nag-withdraw ka ng 10 million. Isa-isahin pa kita mamaya. Kaya lang wala ng panahon, hindi pa tayo tapos. Pati yung sa bangko, paano nyo in cash? Pag sinabi nyo na by tranches, nako, problema nyo talaga to.
Mr. Chair.
You better tell us. Kasi, kahit dun sa 1.5 na ban, ikaw, dun ka sa treasurer. But the question is, who provides you the 1.5 ban? Oh,
Ms. Mungkad.
Ms.
Yes,
Mungkad, who provides you the 1.5 ban? 1.5 million ban?
Yung office po.
Oh, treasurer, you provide?